Today I'm taking a look at the VIPERTEK VTS-195, a rechargeable aluminum device that includes a built-in flashlight and is designed for personal safety awareness. It's compact and easy to carry, and the flashlight features can be useful for everyday situations like walking at night or finding your way in low light areas. The main focus of a device like this is personal preparedness and feeling more aware of your surroundings. It's important to understand how it works, follow all local laws, and store it safely when not in use. This is a product that falls into the personal safety category, combining a flashlight with a self-defense option in a small portable design.